Once again, welcome back to all of my lovely students. I hope you are doing very well. Now I am going to start solid state part 3. Clear? Two parts I have already discussed. Okay, let's move on. The solid states, in this part we are going to discuss about closed packed structure. What is closed packed structure? This topic covers closed packing of constituent particles of solid in 1, 2 and 3 dimensions. The meaning of coordination numbers. These two topics are very important for the exam perspective also. Arrangement of particles in a solid. How particles are arranged in a solid, we have to understand about this diagram. Constituent particles, atom, ions or molecules of solid are closely packed in three dimensional. Clear? 3D, three dimensional, x, y and z. The packing is such that it occupies maximum available space and leaves minimum vacant space. The packing is such that it occupies maximum available space and leaves minimum vacant space. Thus, the arrangement leads maximum density and great stability. Okay? Close packing in one dimension. To understand the arrangement of particles better, we need to look at how the structure is built in 1, 2 and 3 dimensions. Okay, first we have to start one dimension. There is only one way to arrange the atom in one dimensional closed packed structure, that is arrangement of atom in a linear row. One dimension में क्या होगा? Linear row, where each atom is in contact with two atoms, one on each side. So coordination number for one dimension should be 2. One atom is close contact with the two other atoms. Okay. Coordination number. What is coordination number? The coordination number of a given atom is a good indicator of the kind of packing seen in a structure. The coordination number of a given atom is a good indicator of the kind of packing seen in a structure. Coordination number of a given atom is the number of atoms which are in contact with it. The coordination number of the atom involved in one dimensional packing is 2. We can see this from this diagram. This is the atom and this is the two atoms which are in close contact. Close packing in two dimensions. Close packing in two dimensions is obtained by stacking more rows of close packed sphere on one dimensional close packed layers. This can lead to two different kind of packings. First one is the square close packing, second one is the hexagonal close packing. In a square close packing, we can see from this diagram, this is for a square in which one atom is close contact with 4 other atoms only. So coordination number for square close packing is 4. This is the hexagonal close packing. In this, coordination number is 6. One central atom is contact with 6 other atoms. So coordination for the hexagonal close packing is 6. So we have understood that what is coordination number? Coordination numbers, with the help of coordination number, we are able to predict the arrangement of the packing. If coordination number is 6, it may be hexagonal close packing. If coordination number is 4, it may be square close packing. Clear? What is square close packing? We have to discuss this in elaborate. When the atom are pairs, these pairs represent atoms actually of the second row are placed directly above the first row such that the atoms are aligned horizontally and vertically. The arrangement is called square close packing. So if the first row is called A, all other subsequent row could also be called A, as they have a similar alignment and arrangement. This is also called triple A type of arrangement, because this all the layers are similar in nature, as in horizontal, as in vertical. So this type of arrangement is also called as triple A arrangement. Clear? Hexagonal close packing, when the atoms of second row are placed in a manner such that they occupy the dispersion of the first row. Dispersion of the first row. The arrangement is called hexagonal close packing. We can see this from this diagram. This is the B row and this is the A row. This is the A row, this is the B row. If you are taking example from this sphere, we can see that this sphere are surrounded by 6 other spheres. Clear? So in this type, there are two different type of rows. So this arrangement is called AB type of arrangement. AB type arrangement. The second row is different from the first row A, so it is called B. The third row is similar to the first, so it is again called A. So overall, this type of arrangement, which is hexagonal close packing, is also known as AB type of arrangement. But in the case of square close packing, AAA type of arrangement is known because they are all in the case of square close packing, all the rows are similar to each other. Coordination number in 2 dimension. 1 dimension we have discussed. What is the coordination number in the 2 dimension? Coordination number in square close packing is 4, as each atom in touch with 4 atoms. We can see this from this diagram. Coordination number in hexagonal close packing is 6, as atom is touched with the 6 atom. We can also see this from this diagram. Coordination number is 6. We have already discussed about that. Comparing square close and hexagonal close packing. First is arrangement. Less closely packed. Which one? Square close packing is less closely packed. Hexagonal close packing is more efficient, less unoccupied space. That means more closely packed. Space occupancy, 52.4% of the space is occupied in the case of square close packing. But in the case of hexagonal close packing, 60.4% of the space is occupied. Coordination number, AAA type of arrangement where each sphere is contact with the 4 other spheres. Thus, the coordination number is 4 in the case of square close packing. But in the case of hexagonal close packing, AB type of arrangement where each sphere is in contact with the 6 other sphere. Thus, the coordination number is 6. 3D close packing from 2D square. Here D means dimensions. 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional square close packed layers. We can see from this is formed simple cubic oval structure is simple cubic, and this is the 3D structure. To extend the building up of the square close packing to 3 dimensions, the second layer is placed such that the sphere are horizontally and vertically aligned with lower layers. More layers placed in this fashion result in AAA type packing or simple cubic packing. You can see this from this diagram. This is known as AAA type of arrangement or form a large cube. Or simple basic cube lattice is this, and this type of cube arranged in a so much manner form that a large cube. Clear? A large cube is known as crystal lattice. 3D closed packing from 2D hexagonal closed packed layer. Placing of second layer over the first layer. The empty space found in the layer A called voids. One set is marked as X and other as Y. Clear from this diagram, X and Y. These voids are similar except from their position when the sphere of the second layer are placed on void Y, void X remains unoccupied. 3D close packing is obtained by placing the second layer over the first layer and then placing the third layer over the second layer. When the second layer is placed such that the sphere of the second layer sit on the dispersion of the first layer, we get two type of wires, tetrahedral and octahedral wires. We are now going to start the discussion about tetrahedral and octahedral wired. Later slides. 3D closed packing from 2D hexagonal closed packed layers. Clear? What is tetrahedral wires? A wire is formed between 3 atoms of a single layer. A wire is formed between the 3 atoms of single layer and 1 atom of from a layer above or below. as in the case of tetrahedron is called tetrahedral wire. We can see this from this diagram. Clear? Three layers. These three layers form a single layer, and this another sphere form another layers above or below these three spheres. It is going to be form a tetrahedron like structure, so it is called as this space at the center. This space is called tetrahedral wires. Second is octahedral wires. When the triangular space, when the triangular shaped wires of second layer are above the unoccupied triangular wires on the first layer, an octahedron is obtained. The wire between these six spheres or atoms is called an octahedral wire. We can see this from three layers from one layer, three balls from one, this is the red color, and three balls from the another layer, this is the slightly bluish color. And between this six ball one is small hole, it is also known, it is known as octahedral wire. Number of octahedral wire n, number of tetrahedral wire 2n. That means if octahedral wire is 5 in any crystal, that means we are able to predict the number of tetrahedral wire, that is it is 2 multiply 5, that is 10. Where n is the number of close packed spheres, we can also predict the number of close packed spheres. Clear? 3D close packing from 2D hexagonal close packed layer. Placing of third layer over the second layer. When a third layer is placed over the second layer, we have two possibilities. First one is the tetrahedral wire, second one is the octahedral wire. Tetrahedral wire, A layer, B layer and A layer. A layer is blue color, B layer is yellow color, and A layer again is the red sphere ball. Clear? In the case of octahedral wire, this red color is C layer, yellow color is B layer, and blue color is the A layer. We can see this diagram. When the third layer covered the tetrahedral wires. Clear? Hexagonal close packed structure HCP. Clear? If the sphere of the third layer are placed over the tetrahedral wires of the second layer, and the sphere of the third layer are completely aligned with the first layer, then we get a repeating AB pattern. This three-dimensional structure is called hexagonal closed packed, in short HCP structure. Magnesium and zinc have this structure. We can see this is the A type of layer, this is the B type of layer, this is the A type of layer, this is the B type of layer. So this arrangement is also known as AB pattern. Clear? And in at short it is also called hexagonal closed packed, that means HCP. When the third layer cover the octahedral wires, cubic closed packed structure CCP or FCC, face centered cubic structure, are going to be formed. In previous slides we have discussed about the tetrahedral wires. We can see that here this is the tetrahedral wires covered, but if octahedral wires covers, then it is going to form CCP or FCC. If the sphere of the third layer are placed over the octahedral wires such that they are not in alignment with the first or second layer, then we get a new layer C. A, B, C. C is the third layer. Okay. If we add fourth layer and alignment it with the first row, we get repeating ABC pattern. So this pattern is known as ABC, again A, फिर ABC patterns. Clear? Silver and copper have these structures. Coordination number in 3 dimensions. What is coordination number in 3 dimensions? Structures. Coordination number for close packing in 3 dimensions is 12. How? A layer. If you are taking A layer, coordination number is 3. Here C layer, coordination number is 3 also. If we are talking about B layer, here B layer, coordination number is 6. We can count the number of spheres. If we are talking about A layer, coordination number is 3. Again A layer, this coordination number is 3. 3 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 12. So coordinate number in 3-dimensional is always 12. Packing structure. Packing structure we have discussed first about 1D, one-dimensional closed packing of atom in which coordinate number is 2. It is further divided into 2D square closed packing and 2D hexagonal closed packing. Square in which coordinate number 4 and hexagonal coordinate number is 6. Again it form 3D simple cubic lattice and it is formed two ways: 3D cubic lattice closed packing ABC ABC type and ABAB type. ABAB type is known as HCP, clear, and it covers tetrahedral wire. If it covers octahedral wires, it forms CCP, clear, CCP, closed cubic packing, or FCP, clear. A quick recap. Here are the main points covered in these topics. Three-dimensional structure can be built by first packing particle in two-dimensional layer and then second stacking these layer above each other to obtain the closed packed structure. Second, closed packing in two dimension can be of two types: square closed packing and hexagonal closed packing. Both of these packing ensure utilization of 74% of the space. Coordination number of the HCP and CCP, yeah, RCCP, is 12. Number of octahedral wires is equal to the number of closed packed particles, that is N, and number of tetrahedral wires is twice the number of closed packed particles, that is 2N. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. All the best.